How to buy FUD, the PUG meme coin on SUI network. Looking to buy FUD, PUG meme coin on the SUI network. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to get your hands on this trending coin. So let's get started. Download and install a wallet that supports the SUI network, such as SUI wallet or Martian wallet. Create your wallet and securely save your recovery phrase. Then purchase SUI tokens from the supported exchange like Binance or KuCoin. Then transfer the tokens to your SUI wallet address to cover the gas fees and buy FUD, the PUG. Now connect to a decentralized exchange, so visit a DEX supporting the SUI network such as Bluemove or another SUI compatible DEX. Then connect your wallet by clicking Connect Wallet and selecting your SUI compatible wallet. In the DEX interface, look for the FUD, the PUG coin. You may need it as contract address, which can be found on its official website or a verified list, and then paste the contract address into the token search bar, if it doesn't appear automatically, of course. Now enter the amount of SUI you want to swap for FUD, the PUG. Review the transaction details and ensure they're correct. Then click Swap and confirm the transaction in your wallet. After the transaction is complete, check your wallet balance to ensure FUD and the PUG tokens are credited. If not visible, add the token manually by pasting the contract address into your wallet. And that's it. You've successfully purchased FUD, the PUG meme coin on the SUI network. If you found this guide helpful, like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching. How to